Good morning everyone, and I hope you enjoy this up close and personal skincare routine. This morning I'm starting off with the simple micellar facial gel wash to gently remove the buildup of an oil and sweat from overnight. This is so affordable and great as a water-based cleanser. I then move on to an essence, and today I am using the Cynic First Treatment Essence. This is one amazing product containing 90% galactomyces ferment filtrate to hydrate and restore the skin's barrier. It's very lightweight and layerable and can be used by all skin types. Whilst my skin is still damp, I go on to the Triple Hyaluronic Moisture Ampoule by CosRx. This is a great hyaluronic acid serum with 3 different forms of HA and provitamin B5 to soothe inflammation, as well as 2 polyhydroxy acids to gently exfoliate the skin. And moving on to a hero skincare ingredient loved by so many of you, and that is niacinamide. Today I'm using the Inculist 10% niacinamide product, as I find this to be a less sticky and drying than others out there on the market. This is also formulated with 1% hyaluronic acid because we just can't get enough hydration. Niacinamide is great especially for acne prone and oily skin types, as it helps regulate the sebum production and soothes inflammation, as well as evening out skin tone left from hyperpigmentation from acne and breakouts. I've recently been using this mineral booster from Indeed Labs, which is formulated with zinc, copper and magnesium to help detoxify skin tissue, reduce oxidative stress and protect the skin from glycation. My skin loves this because it helps to speed up the recovery of my acne and gives my skin this little radiant glow which I am obsessed with. I also like to use the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion as a moisturizer, but I use it in the mornings. Confusing, I know, but the consistency of this is so perfect for my combination skin that the AM lotion just doesn't cut it for me, unfortunately. It's packed with ceramides to help strengthen the skin's barrier, and also niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, as if I couldn't get any more of those 2 ingredients into this routine. Sunscreen now, and this is the most important part of your morning routine. I am currently obsessed with the Perito Comfy Water Sunblock SPF 50 plus PA+++++. A mineral sunscreen with no white cast and no nanoparticles, which is rare to find but is absolutely fantastic. Very lightweight and layerable, but this doesn't have to be worked in a little around the facial hair, as it does like to clump in places on my beard. And finally, as the weather gets colder here in the UK, I need to rehydrate my lips. I'm using the Indeed Labs Volumizing lip treatment, which is a good lip care product with an applicator that I find a lot easier to use than a little tub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon for a brand new video. Bye bye.